Welcome to our exploration of machine vision, a cutting-edge technology revolutionizing industries across the globe. Today we'll dive deep into the technical aspects of machine vision and its incredible potential. At its core, machine vision involves the use of cameras, sensors, and algorithms to replicate human vision and perception. Through the capture of analysis in images and videos, machines can interpret and understand their environment. Machine vision systems consist of hardware components such as high-resolution cameras, lenses, lighting, and processing units. These components work together to capture images, extract relevant data, and make real-time decisions. Machine vision finds applications in various industries, from manufacturing and robotics to healthcare and agriculture. It enables quality control, automated inspection, object recognition, and even facial recognition in security systems. Looking ahead, the future of machine vision is very promising. Advancements in artificial intelligence, deep learning, and edge computing are poised to enhance the capabilities of machine vision, paving the way for autonomous vehicles, smart cities, and personalized healthcare. As we conclude our exploration of machine vision, it is clear that this technology is reshaping the way we interact with the world. With its endless possibilities, machine vision is truly a beacon of innovation. Thank you for joining us through this journey. Stay curious and stay innovative.